Okay, so behind me is our shop car. So this car has been with us ever since day one. So bakit namin kailangan ng shop car? Of course, meron kami mga parts na kailangan i-transport. Minsan yung staff kailangan pumunta dito, doon. If we have car shows that we have to attend to, of course, it needs to bring the tarps, the stanchions, and all the other car parts that we bring with us when we do car show. So itong car na to is already not in the best condition. It's been here for so long and nang nakuha ko rin siya, it's been a hand-me-down. So lumang-luma na talaga siya. So this is the car. This is a Mitsubishi L300. Kinulang lang ng C kasi dapat LC300 siya. And ayan, as you can see, it's very, very old already. Sira-sira na siya, wala na yung upuan niya. The engine's not so good anymore. And you know, there's a lot of people saying, bakit ito yung shop car ninyo? Like, it doesn't really represent the Second Skin Industries brand. Kasi here, Second Skin, we do supercars, luxury cars, and all the nice cars. And then ito yung kotse na dinadala namin sa mga events. So, I agree, it's kind of time already for us to replace it. And of course, we had to buy a new car. Right, so I decided that it's already time for a change. So we bought a brand new shop car and are you ready for this? The new shop car is a Right, so there you have it. This is our brand new, slightly used shop car. So this is a Ferrari 458 Italia. If you know me, this has always been my ultimate favorite dream car. And we finally have it here at the shop as a shop car. So as you can see, it's currently matte black. So we wrapped this car around 2.5 to 3 years ago. And the wrap still looks amazing. Wala pa rin umaangat masyado sa mga gilid-gilid. Of course, there's signs of wear and tear already since it's been wrapped for more than 2.5 years. And of course, we're gonna strip it down. So, before anything else, I'd like to introduce to you a new series here in our Second Skin Industries vlogs. So we are coming up with a new series called the SSI Shop Car. So we're gonna be building this Ferrari from stock into whatever we decide on, and it's gonna be a long series. We're gonna be doing a wrap, we're gonna be doing kits, wheels, we're gonna do exhaust. Basically, we're gonna show you how it is to set up a car from stock until we change the color, add wheels, change the exhaust, and we'll give you a glimpse of the life of supercar owners here in the Philippines. So it's gonna be an exciting series. First, we're gonna turn this back to stock. We're gonna remove the wrap, we're gonna change the wheels, we're gonna remove all the kits, we're gonna make it bare bone stock. And then from there, we're gonna choose what color to put, what wheels we're gonna put, and we're gonna need your input on what we're gonna do with the car. So medyo, ano siya, how do you say this? It's interactive. It's gonna be an interactive build. So kung ano yung mga comments and suggestions niyo, yun yung gagawin natin. So I just want to show you around the car first before we do anything else. So right now it has some carbon fiber kits. It has HRE wheels already. And it has a very, very, very nice interior. Papakita ko sa inyo. It's color red and black. And to be honest, it's one of the interiors that I really like. Kasi merong ibang 458 that has pure red interior. I think that's just too much. Ito, as you can see, There's red and carbon fiber, and it looks so beautiful. Diba? So this is already a top spec 458. It's also one of the last ones produced since it was produced in 2014. Parinig ko sa inyo yung sound. So, eto, we have the stock exhaust on, and it sounds like this. Yan. So as you can see, as you can hear, it's not that loud. I'll give you some revs. Yan. So di siya sobrang ingay, but it sounds like a proper Ferrari. And of course, we're gonna change that. We're gonna decide on what kind of exhaust to put in episode 2. Right, so we are now at the back of the Ferrari, and one of my favorites is, of course, the glass engine cover, which showcases the V8 engine of this Ferrari 458. I feel like it's so nice. Kitang-kita mo, maybe we just need to touch up a little bit over there, freshen it up. I'm gonna make sure that when we're done with this car, it looks like a proper show car already. So right now, it needs some TLC. Of course, it's a 10-year-old car already. And we're gonna give it some love here at Second Skin. So maganda rin sa kanya, it has carbon fiber on the taillights, has a carbon fiber wing, and a carbon fiber rear diffuser. So tatanggalin natin lahat yan, we'll bring it back to stock para we have a blank canvas to work on. So are you excited? I'm super excited. So, what's gonna happen next? We're gonna strip this down back to stock, and then we're gonna go from there. So if you guys have any suggestions on what color we should wrap this Ferrari 458 with, just comment it down below, and kung sino ang pinakamaraming likes or kung sino ang pinakanagustuhan ko, we're gonna choose that as the winner, and we will be wrapping this car on the next episode. So if you guys want to see more content like this, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, because this year we're going all out.